Hey guys, it's me. I'm here in my back garden. A bunch of I know you can't see anything right now, but a bunch of fireworks were happening. So then I went upstairs to a room. I tried to make a video. There was a bunch of fireworks then, but then I couldn't make it. The window wouldn't open properly. Look, that one right there wouldn't open. So you can see some fireworks that are happening. The lights in the back on. A bunch of fireworks were just happening. Our neighbors were doing it, and there was a bunch of smoke here. Look, there's flashing, and my brother's screaming right now. He's sad that he can't come outside. Sorry guys, I know it's not a really good view. I keep moving, but my light keeps turning off. The heck? Look! Behind! Look guys, a bunch of fireworks! Forget what I said before! Forget what I said before! My ear about to bloody pop into pieces. One there. I'm looking for fireworks. My brother just missed them all. See, there's a firework right there. It's moving. Unless I'm going crazy and that's just a star. No, look, right there. I'm just looking around for fireworks. There. It's so cold. I'm just looking around for fireworks now. It's okay, guys. The lights are. Wait. You can just hear them. There. They're just happening down there. Before there was somebody here, they put on a sparkler. My brother's sad because he wants to come out. Now he's taking my mum off me. You can't come. Stay inside. For fireworks. There. Right there. Oh no, it was there. Wait, what? I'm blind now. There. I'll make this like 5 minutes long. Maybe. There. Now a bunch of coming. Before to start, like, there we go. And yesterday was my mum's birthday. The next day, Tuesday was my friend's birthday. Yesterday was my mum's birthday, and now the next day it's bonfire night. No, stay inside. I'm paying more attention to my brother. There's a bunch of flashing coming from over there. Stepping in there. Alright, bye guys.